You want to go down to your bottom left where it says Finder, and then you click on it, and then this screen pops up. You want to go to where it says Application on the left-hand side right there and click it. All of your apps/applications that you've ever downloaded or that have come pre-downloaded on your MacBook will be here. If you double click with 2 fingers on the trackpad, so like this, I'll show you. If you double click on, say, Calendar, for example, you'll see you can't remove it because it's a built-in app that Apple doesn't want you to delete off your MacBook. But on an app that you have downloaded, for example, Handbrake, which is used to compress video files, if you double tap using 2 fingers like that, and right here where it says Move to Trash, you can click Move to Trash, and you see it's gone, it's in trash. You double click on trash, you press Empty Trash, and it'll make sure, are you sure you want to empty your trash? You click yes, you empty your trash. Now the app is completely gone forever until you choose to re-download it. Make sure you subscribe for more Apple tips. If you got value from that, make sure you subscribe. That way you get notified when new videos are released as well. You turn on the notification bell. I'm Jackeal, your guide to living with Apple every day. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next one.